Hey everyone, welcome back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. It's August and summer is kind of coming to a close. The school year is right around the corner, but we have some things to celebrate before we head back to school. In the month of August, we are celebrating National Lemonade Day, National Lemon Juice Day, and National Lemon Meringue Pie Day. In today's video, I'll be sharing some fun ways that you can celebrate all three of these holidays. First up, to celebrate National Lemonade Day, of course, it's time to make some delicious lemonade. We're going to be making a blended tropical lemonade. You will need lemon juice, water, frozen pineapple, and frozen mango. Simply add all ingredients into a high-speed blender. I love this recipe because the pineapple and mango sweeten this lemonade just enough, so you do not need to add any extra sugar. Then blend on high for about 30 seconds and enjoy. To celebrate National Lemon Juice Day, I have a really fun tip. It's kind of like a hack. It's a great way that you can prep lemon juice, and it makes it so simple and easy to enjoy anytime you're in need of some lemon juice. First, you'll need to juice a handful of lemons. I need about a cup of lemon juice, so I'm juicing 5 large, juicy Limoneira lemons. Then simply fill an ice cube tray with the lemon juice. You can also add some fun flavors to your lemon cubes. Today I'm adding blueberries, mint, and raspberries. Freeze the lemon cubes for at least 4 hours, or you may need to freeze them overnight depending on the size of your ice cube tray. Once frozen, you can add these to cold drinks, smoothies. It's a really fun way to enjoy fresh lemon juice every single day. And National Lemon Meringue Pie Day. Who doesn't like a delicious slice of lemon meringue pie? Here's a recipe that I've shared with you before, but in case you missed it, I'm going to share with you again. To make this recipe, you will need organic sugar, cornstarch, coconut milk, sea salt, lemon juice, lemon zest, eggs, and a pie crust. You can use store-bought or homemade. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, in a large saucepan with the burner off, add 1 cup of organic sugar with the cornstarch and sea salt and whisk together until well mixed. Turn the burner to low and gradually stir in the coconut milk. Then turn the heat to medium and stir constantly until the mixture begins to boil. Simmer for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Then turn off the heat. Separate the egg yolks and the whites into 2 bowls and set the egg whites aside for later. Beat the yolks with a small whisk and then add 1/4 cup of the hot sugar mixture in with the egg yolks and mix until well combined. Gradually stir the yolks into the remaining hot sugar mixture and turn the heat to low and simmer for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Turn off the burner and stir in the lemon juice and the lemon zest. Cool slightly about 15 minutes and then pour into a pre-baked pie crust. In a glass or metal mixing bowl, beat your egg whites on medium speed for about 1 minute until foamy. Then turn up to high speed and gradually add in sugar until stiff, glossy peaks form. Spoon the meringue over the pie and spread to the edge of the crust. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until the meringue is light and golden brown. Cool on the counter for 1 hour and then refrigerate for 3 hours for the filling to set completely. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope that you have a fantastic day, that you're excited to celebrate these awesome lemon holidays. And for more information on Limoneira, these recipes, make sure to check out the links below. And don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.